But next one, conditional get. Same, conditional get regarding HTTP. So we have the condition. Checking modify or not modify. If not modify, then that's fine. If modify, then I want to get it. All right, so not modify. Or maybe yes, modify. So okay, I will let it have the new one. So this is a conditional get. Why we have a different changes for HTTP? Because we want to improve performance of HTTP, including the conditional get. And we still have the other improvement, but the current discussion actually not covered by our past videos, the free classroom video. No, the following discussion actually there are new content in the current version, the S edition. Well, we want to have the improvement, so we want to change from the original version 1.1 to the current version 2. Why we need to have the version? Because we want to avoid some problem. Here we call it HOL blocking. In fact, the problem described here. We can have the different object, but what about a really large object there? And we still need to work for that, so we will have the HOL blocking. For example, here we have object 1 first, then object 2, object 3, and object 4. And in fact, we have the pipelining, persistent pipelining. However, because of really huge, I call really huge object for object 1. So for the other object, you need to wait for the response after completing the transmission of object 1. So this is a problem of the original 1.1. In fact, if you can have a slice, how to solve it by using version 2. Version 2 actually try to have the slice chunks for the object. It doesn't mean I have the whole file. I can split the whole file into chunks and send the small chunks. So how to have chunks here? We try to have the smaller size. Here we call chunks. And if we have the smaller chunks, then just one chunk for object 1, and then we allow the other object to be transmitted. Then object 2, object 3, 4. All right. So possibly you can have 1 and then 2, 3, 4. But here maybe some changes only 2 and 4 for some reason. But at least if we have smaller chunks, it doesn't mean object 2, 3, 4 need to wait a long time, right? So this is the improvement. And the chunks we call frames. So here we call frames. Why we call it frames? Because usually it's video. So if we have the video, then we will have the smaller one, and the smaller one in the video we call its frames. So we can call it frame. Even frame, it is not the exact term. If you care about the maybe streaming or the image processing, but for the networking, we call the chunks. We have the smaller frames. If we have a smaller frame, we can have the other object to be transmitted easy and quickly. So this is the way to mitigate the HOL blocking. It doesn't mean the whole blocking then drop, no. But you need to wait a long time if we have a really huge object. So this is version 2. And we also have version 3. Version 3, of course, we have the way to solve, to mitigate the we have a security or some other treatment in version 3. So of course, we want to improve performance and also we want to enhance maybe the performance, including the security. So we can have HD version 2 and 3. So all of these, they are different from the previous maybe previous actions taken by HTTP 1.1 because we have the actual treatment. So we have the new version, version 2 and version 3. And that's all. Okay, so this is a discussion for web of the HTTP